Listen, you aren't unmotivated. You just lack control over your locus. Your drive isn't broken. Your system is. You wake up ready. Then life hits. Distractions. Delays. Other people's chaos. And suddenly, you lose momentum. Not because you're weak. Because your control is external. Your brain is a machine. And right now, it's letting the outside world run the code. No control. No consistency. And this is costing you your future. The 4 Locus Rules. Rule 1. Own the input. The command. Control what enters your brain. Ruthlessly. No random scrolling. No noise. No passive consumption. The biological why. Your brain runs on dopamine. Every input either trains focus or destroys it. High stimulation content spikes dopamine artificially. Then real work feels boring. Your system gets hijacked. The consequence: you lose attention. You lose drive. You become reactive. No control over input equals no control over output. Rule 2. Eliminate external triggers. The command. Remove everything that controls your behavior from the outside. Notifications off. Environment clean. Distractions killed. The psychological why. Your brain is wired for cues. Every ping, every vibration, every interruption releases dopamine and cortisol. It pulls your focus outward. You stop executing. You start reacting. The consequence: you don't decide your actions. Your environment does. And when your environment controls you, you stay average. Rule 3. Build internal triggers. The command. Create actions that start without emotion. Same time, same place, same execution. No thinking. The biological why. Habits bypass decision-making. They shift control from the prefrontal cortex to automatic neural pathways. Less thinking, more execution. Your brain stops asking, "Do I feel like it?" It just moves. The consequence: without internal triggers, you depend on motivation. And motivation: unstable, weak, temporary. You become inconsistent. Rule 4. Measure what you control. The command. Track effort, not outcomes. Focus on actions you can execute daily, not results you can't control. The psychological why. Your brain needs certainty. If you chase results, you create anxiety. Cortisol spikes. Motivation drops. But if you track actions, you stay in control. You build momentum. The consequence: if you measure results only, you quit early. You feel like you're failing. You lose direction. Control the process or lose the game. The mindset shift. Here is the shift. You don't need more motivation. You need more control. Motivation is emotional. Control is mechanical. Motivation fades. Systems execute. If you rely on feelings, you lose. If you rely on systems, you win. Execute without emotion. That's the rule. Because repetition rewires identity. You don't become disciplined by thinking. You become disciplined by doing. Again, and again, and again, until it becomes who you are. This is the decision. Stay controlled by the outside world, or take back control. Because once you control your locus, you control your actions. You control your results. You control your life. No excuses. No delays. Just execution. If you're ready to take control, comment, "I am ready," and subscribe to the Path X. Because this is where discipline is built.